This is the best strategy you need to trade volatility. 1x index on 15 minutes time frame and record massive profit. You need only one indicator, average directional movement index. This is the only indicator you need to make massive profit. Now, this is how to use the indicator. Towards the end of the video, I will show you how to set up the indicator. But pay attention, on my screen now, there are two compartments, the chart side and the indicator section. Now on the indicator section, there are two lines there, the red line and the green line. These are the two lines of ADX indicators. Now this is how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit trading volatility 1x index on 15 minutes time frame. Now when you see the red line of the ADX indicator crosses the green line of ADX indicator, if the crossing is from down upwards, that is a sell signal. All right, let me show you what I mean. This is the crossing of the green line of ADX and the red line of ADX. So on my screen now, you see this crossing here and you also see this crossing here. You understand? Now when the red line of ADX crosses the green line from down upward, this is what a sell signal. Now when the green line of ADX crosses the red line of ADX from down upward, this is what a buy signal. All right, now pay attention. Let me show you what you need to do. This is how to make your entry. All right, from my screen now, this is the point where the crossing occur. The red line crosses the green line of ADX, so this is what a confirmed sell signal. So from the point where the crossing occur, you make a sell signal. The red line crosses above the green line, that is what a perfect sell entry for you. So this is the point where the crossing occur, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occurs. So you make a sell entry from this point of crossing, and this is what huge profit for you. So each entry you are making, you make use of appropriate stop loss. Do you understand? All right, now let's proceed. Now from this point, this is where the green line of ADX crosses the red line of ADX. So this is a confirmed buy signal. Do you understand? This is what a confirmed buy signal. The red line of ADX crosses the green line of ADX crosses the red line of ADX. So this is what a confirmed buy signal. So the point where the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? Make a buy entry. So on my screen now, this is the crossing where the green line of ADS crosses the red line of ADS, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occurs. So the candlestick where the crossing occurs, that is where you need to do what? Make a what? Buy entry. Do you understand? All right, so you make a buy entry from this point, and this is what huge profit. So you make use of appropriate stop loss. Preferably when you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low, and when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. Do you understand? All right, so we proceed. Look at this. This is a huge profit. Have you seen it? From this point of crossing here, this is the point where the green line crosses the red line. So make your buy entry here, and this is what huge profit. Have you seen it? It's still buying. Do you understand? So this is what a high profitable strategy. Now from this point, the red line of ADS crosses the green line. So this is what a clear sell signal. So the point where the crossing occur, that is place where you need to do what? Make a sell entry. Do you understand? All right, so my screen now, this is where the crossing occur. So you make your sell entry at this point. So this is a excess sell profit. So making use of the previous lower high, your stop loss should be somewhere here, and you record massive profits. Do you understand? So this is what straight to the point strategy. So this strategy has been paying over and over. And now look at this. This is what a buy signal. Are you seeing it? You make your what buy entry from this point. Make your what buy entry from this point. Make your buy entry from the point where the correction occur. This is the ADX where the correction occur. Now you see it, and this is candlestick where the correction occur. So you make your what buy entry where the correction occur. So you make your what buy entry here, and this is massive profit. Then, like as I said earlier, when you are buying, you make use of what the previous higher low. So your stop loss should be somewhere here. Do you understand? And you record massive profits. So guys, this is one of the best premium strategies I am dishing out to you guys. Like I said, this particular strategy is applicable on volatility 10 1x index on 15 minutes time frame. Guys, this strategy pays a lot. This strategy pays a lot. Change your trading history with this strategy. To understand. All right, don't forget this is Optimal FX where profitable strategies are shared. Now, as you can see, it is still selling. Do you understand? So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. All right, but now let me show you how to set up the indicators. Let me show you how to set up the ADX indicator. So you click on the function, and then you click on ADX. Now here are what the parameters for ADX. Here are what the parameters for ADX. So on my screen now you see that the period is one. The period of ADX is 120. Now pay attention to this. The style. Now the style, you choose one pixel. You choose one pixel, and the color of the style should be white. The color of the style should be what? Should be white. Now plus DI, the plus DI, the color is green. Minus DI, the color is red for 4 pixel. Do you understand? Now the essence of choosing white color for style is that we don't want the color to show. We don't want the color to show. All right, now let me show you what I mean. The essence of choosing white color. Now let's choose this color. If you click done, are you seeing it? You see the style color. Are you seeing the style color? There are 3 lines here. But what you want to make use of is plus DI and minus DI. So we choose the style to be white. We choose the color of the style to be what? To be white. Do you understand? Because what we want to make use of is what? Plus DI and the minus DI. Do you understand? So this is it. Are you seeing it? So guys, don't forget this is Optimal FX where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history. Thank you.